Hi, I'm Max, a dapper robot with a mission to design great things. Today, we'll be making a solitaire diamond ring. This ring is comprised of three main parts: the shank, the head, and the diamond. The ring we're making today is a simplified version to keep this tutorial beginner-friendly. To add a reference image, press Shift plus A, go to image, then reference. Now simply go to the location where the image is stored, select it, and click Load Reference Image. You can pick any image of a ring you like. Just search for Solitaire Diamond Ring, and you'll find many options to pick from. You can check the keys used in the lower center of the screen. Okay, let's start with the shank. What we're going to do is basically add a cylinder, cut it in half, then mirror it. This will allow for more efficient editing. Let's delete this face. Now our model is mirrored on the x-axis. In here, we used proportional editing to make the base of the ring a bit thinner. Using this tool with the smooth preset allows us to make quick changes to our model while maintain the flow of the geometry. Now a subdivision modifier. Let's increase the thickness a bit. Don't forget, using bevels and loop cuts wisely can add depth and character to your model. Now that was easy, wasn't it? For the diamond, we'll be needing to install the Extra Objects add-on. Here's how we can do that. Now we'll add a brilliant diamond. Brilliant. Now to model the head, we'll basically be making two donut-shaped parts to house the diamond, and four progs or claws to fix it in its position. Of course, we'll be using mirror modifiers to save on time and effort. Bezier curves are a powerful tool for this kind of task. They allow for great control over the curvature of an object. Just remember to add depth and appropriate resolution to the geometry from the Properties menu. The mirror modifier is my favorite. I'd love to know what's yours. Let me know in the comments below. In real life, these parts would need to be soldered together. Always look up how an object you're modeling is made in real life. That will provide you with powerful insight and keep you at the head of your game. We might make some adjustments later, but this looks all right for now. These render settings are what works for me. However, it won't hurt to experiment and see how fast you can get your computer to render. Just remember, higher noise threshold means faster render. So just play around and see how high of a number you can get away with without losing image definition. Keep everything nice and tidy by parenting objects and establishing a hierarchy. It's good practice to maintain real-life scale. Do that and thank me later. Just remember to apply any transforms you make. To set up the scene, we'll be adding a background, lights, and a camera. Dealing with cameras can be a bit frustrating. An easy way to deal with that is to add a track constraint. This was a life changer for me. Let's switch to a rendered view. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Let's add an area light for now. We'll be making the ring from platinum, so we'll make a simplified version of the material. You can track the light to the focus object as well. This might not always be the best option, but it's good for now. A lot of back and forth goes around when setting up the scene. That's completely normal. So don't be discouraged if it takes you long to find the perfect shot. Here's a picture of how our diamond shader should look like. Now we'll be creating this shader. You can skip ahead a bit if you already copied the material. Okay, we're almost done. We're just going to play around with our scene lights until we have something worth posting on Instagram. If you like this video, make sure to follow us there as well. You would be doing us a great favor. The link is in the description. It is our hope that this video was enjoyable and provided you with something valuable. Now that's a beauty. This was the first in our 30 Rings in 30 Days series. If you like it, make sure to subscribe for more. Also, we would love for you to join us on this challenge. Just tag us and use hashtag 30Rings in your Instagram post. Hope to see you on the next one. Bye.